Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Ensure your phone has at least 50% battery and enough free storage so the backup won't fail. Once charged, pick a method, cloud, local computer, or a dedicated backup app, because each stores messages differently. Make sure you grant permissions for SMS, contacts, and storage so the chosen tool can read and save texts. Now open the backup option in Settings or the app and select Messages. This begins the initial data collection step. Now configure what to backup. Pick full history, specific date ranges, or individual threads to save time and space. Choose encryption and file format. Encrypted XML is standard for full restores. CSV works for reading on a computer. Once configured, run a manual backup to confirm everything works, monitor progress, and wait for completion. If available, schedule recurring backups so new texts are automatically saved. This ensures you won't lose recent conversations. Finish by verifying integrity. Open the saved file or view the cloud entry to confirm messages and timestamps are present. Once verified, perform a small restore to a different folder or test device to ensure the format restores correctly. If something goes wrong, first check app permissions, available storage, and network connectivity, then retry the backup. If failures persist, export logs or use a different app/service. Keeping one verified backup copy plus a secondary copy prevents single-point failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.